Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will demonstrate how to share files during a Google Meet session. To begin, you need to include an attachment through Google Calendar. Open your calendar and create a new event by entering a title, such as Meeting. Next, select the option to add Google Meet video conferencing. Save the event, then click on it again to choose Join with Google Meet. Once you are in the call, look at the meeting details section. You will notice a tab for Google Calendar attachments, which is currently empty. To add a file while your meeting is running, switch back to Google Calendar. Open your scheduled event and click the edit icon. Locate the attachment icon to link a file from Google Drive. You can either upload a new document or pick one already stored in your drive. After selecting your file, click Insert to attach it. Make sure to save your changes before heading back to the active meeting. Now, simply close and reopen the meeting details window. Your attached file should now be visible and accessible to everyone. It is a very straightforward process. Thank you for following along. If you found this tutorial useful, please like the video and subscribe for more helpful tips. See you in the next one.